Good morning students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is your chapter 12, exponents and power. You already learned in class 7 this chapter, this exponents and power. The same we are continuing in this class 8 also. We already studied what are the laws of exponents. Do you remember the laws of exponents? Laws of exponents. Before that, consider the number 2 raised to 3. Here, 3 is called the power and 2 is called the base. Here, 3 is called the exponent or 2 is called the base. Okay, base number എപ്പോഴും എന്താണ് താഴെയുള്ള ഫസ്റ്റ് എഴുതുന്ന നമ്പർ എന്താണോ അതാണ് ബേസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അതിന് മുകളിൽ എഴുതുന്ന നമ്പർ ആണ് ഇതിന്റെ പവർ. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് 2 ക്യൂബ്? 2 ക്യൂബ് കൊണ്ട് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാം. 2 into 2 is 2 ക്യൂബ്. ഓക്കെ, 2 raised to n എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താണ്? 2 into etc up to n times 2 multiply ചെയ്തു. Understood? That is the meaning. 2 raised to 3 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 2 raised to 10 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഉടനെ നിങ്ങളുടെ മനസ്സിൽ വരണം 2 raised to 10 is 2 is multiplied 10 times, not added. It is multiplied 10 times. Okay, so first we are going to learn which are the laws of exponents. That is, the first one is first one, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. What is that? A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Here base in എന്തെങ്കിലും മാറ്റം ഉണ്ടോ? The base is same. A. Here also A. Here also A. Bases are same. ഇനി എന്ത് വിളിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്? Two numbers when multiplied in the same base, you get the number with the powers added. That means simple ആയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞാൽ what is 2 cube into 2 raised to 4? 2 cube നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാം. എങ്ങനെ 2 ക്യൂബിനെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? 2 into 2 അല്ലേ? into 2 raised to 4 is 2 into 2. Total, how many 2's are multiplied here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All this can be written as 2 raised to 7. So what is the answer you are getting? 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 7. അതെങ്ങനെ കിട്ടി? 2 raised to 3 plus 4. മുകളിൽ വേണം എഴുതാൻ പവറുകൾ. Okay, that is 2 raised to 3 plus 4. In general, ഒറ്റയടിക്ക് പറയാം 2 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 5. What is the answer? 2 raised to 15. That is 10 plus 5 is 15. So that is the first law. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Understood? Second one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ പവറുകൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക, ഡിവിഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പറിന്റെ പവറിൽ നിന്നും സെക്കൻഡ് നമ്പറിന്റെ പവർ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. സെയിം എക്സാമ്പിൾ we can use here. Suppose 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 4. Okay, 3 raised to 7 means 3 is multiplied 7 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, divided by 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 means 3 is multiplied 4 times. That is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Common factors we can cancel, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, baki 3 raised to 3. How many 3's are there? 3 3's are there. So 3 raised to 3. എങ്ങനെ കിട്ടിയത്? 3 raised to 7 minus 4. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഡിവിഷൻ വന്നാൽ subtract the powers. Now can you say 3 raised to 10 divided by 3 raised to 6? What is the answer? 3 raised to 10 minus 6 is 3 raised to 4. Okay, so by knowing the laws of exponents, we can easily find the answers for such kind of questions. Next one, third one. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to, can you say the answer? I already told the powers come like this. You can multiply the powers. So the answer is a raised to m into n. What is 2 square, the whole square? X square means x into x. X is multiplied 2 times. Here 2 square, consider it as one number. 2 square, the whole square means 2 square into 2 square is multiplied 2 times. And what is 2 square into 2 square? 2 raised to, since this is multiplication, add the powers, that is 2 raised to 4. Like that, that is 2 raised to 4 means 2 into 2. That is the answer. Next one, what is 3 raised to 6 in 6? The whole raised to 5. Power direct multiply the powers, that is 6 into 5 is 30, that is 3 raised to 30. Next one, a raised to m into b raised to m. A raised to m into b raised to m. Here the power is same, but the base is different. A and b, they are different. So since the power is same one, we take the common factor. That is a into b, the whole raised to m. What is that? A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b, the whole raised to m. Okay. 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2. Okay, what is the answer? 3 square is 9 into 25 is 225. Okay, then 3 square into 5 square means 3 into 5 into, take the common power and put the power same idea. 3 into 5 the whole square. And what is 3 into 5? 15 square. What is 15 square? 225. Same answer you are getting. Okay. Appo base different aanu, pakshe power same aanengil evide ningal same power kaanunno, you can take that power outside. That is a into b, the whole raised to n. Next one. Fifth one. A raised to m by b raised to m is equal to, here also base is different but the power is same. So you can take the power outside. That is a by b, the whole raised to m. A by b, the whole raised to m means you can distribute the power to the numerator and to the denominator. That is a raised to m by b raised to m. A into b, the whole raised to m. You can distribute the power a raised to m into b raised to m. This random problems we use. So you have to study both the LHS and the RHS. Vice versa, you have to study. Next one, question number, not 6th point. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to 0, whether it is an even number or it is an odd number or it is a negative number, whatever be the number, if its power is 0, that is equal to 1. For example, suppose 2 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 2. That is equal to, division ആണെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടിന്റെയും സെയിം ബേസ് ആണ്, അത് കോമൺ എടുക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ഡിവിഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ പവറുകൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണം അല്ലേ? That is 2 minus 2. 2 raised to 2 minus 2 is 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, and what is, let it be there, 2 raised to 0. Next, second type, 2 square divided by 2 square എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നമുക്കറിയാം 2 square is 4 divided by 2 square is 4. 4 by 4 is what? 1. So what is the answer for 2 raised to 0? 1 itself. So any number raised to 0, very very important point. Any number raised to 0, the power is 0, answer is 1. Like that you have to study. Then the seventh one. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by A raised to n. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by A raised to n. This is cross multiply. A raised to minus n into A raised to n is equal to 1. Cross multiply fraction. A raised to minus n into A raised to n is equal to 1. Now, what is A raised to minus n plus A raised to n? Now, base is same. So, A itself. Then, since this is multiplication, you have to add the powers. Minus n plus n. N minus n is what? 0. That is A raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to 0 is 1. So, these are the main. This is very important for this chapter. Up to this, you have studied in the 7th standard. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. This is the new one. That is any number with a negative power 1. Negative power ne positive and take the reciprocal of that given number. 3 raised to minus 2. നമുക്ക് നെഗറ്റീവ് പവർ വന്ന ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലംസും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. പകരം നമ്മൾ എന്തെടുക്കും? മൈനസ് 2 പ്ലസ് 2 ആക്കാൻ 1 by 3 raised to 2 എഴുതും. Okay, തിരിച്ചും പറയാം. 1 by 3 raised to 2 is 3 raised to minus 2. We get 5 raised to minus 6. എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? 1 by 5 raised to 6. These are some examples. So, which are the laws of exponents? You have to study all the laws. The first one is A raised to m into A raised to m is equal to A raised to m plus n. Multiplication, add the powers. Second one, A raised to m divided by A raised to n is A raised to m minus n. When comes the division, you have to subtract the powers. Next, third one, A raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to A raised to m into n. That is, when the powers comes together, you can multiply the powers. Next one, A raised to m into B raised to m. Here the power is common. Same powers came. So, you can take out that power. A into B the whole raised to m. Same like A raised to m by B raised to m is equal to A by B the whole raised to m. This fourth one, fifth one, important because you have to study both the LHS and the RHS. Should be thorough. Next one, sixth one, A raised to 0 minus 2 raised to 0. What is the answer? 1 itself. See, 10 raised to 0. Answer is 1. 1000 raised to 0. Answer is 1. Whatever be the number, any number raised to 0 is 1. And the last one, A raised to minus n. That is, a negative power comes. You have to make it positive by taking the reciprocal of the given number. Okay. So this is for today's section. Study well these 7 laws of exponents. Very very important. Hope you all understood today's class. Thank you.